What is up? What's up, Mr. Harris? How are you, man? Yo, what up, what up?
To the one and only
Bro,
BrokeKids fan.
I'm broke, but I still drive a STI, man. What's up? Big wang things, yeah?
Nah, bro, you gotta continue this. It's not scripted. Yeah, so we've got a special appearance right here today with the one and only co-owner of Subaru, whose original owner is right here.
You wish, man.
Yeah, stand down for the best now. Take my time, you better pay up in the next stop. Throw a rollie with a iced out, touched out. I see where the time's out. Get my burst out, fucking time's out. Oh yeah, now you over me. I know kids got me dead.
Okay,
Bro, this guy's 15, bro. And we're gonna compete in this.
In the depths of team.
The what?
Depths of
We are waiting here for our limousine to come and pick us up.
Yeah.
Because we are the VIPs of the Drift event.
But we're VIPs, man, but...
Very important guest.
We're bringing banners?
Oh,
here comes the VIP. Right here. So,
yeah, man, we're first, man.
peace. Alright, guys, so I don't know what's happening. We were supposed to enter there, but there are cops. Maybe because of the whole COVID situation, you know. You have to wear a mask.
Are they bringing them?
Yeah, so we just spoke with the staff and he said that the cops are going to come out in like roughly 10 minutes. So let's see. Hopefully we can get some good clips, meet some people, you know.
Either they're going to shut down the whole event or either they might continue Group A racing. So let's see.
Because I mean it is a final day. So hope for the best. Let's see. If not, then
GG.
GG. Alright guys, they let us in. Now the recording starts. Damn, look at that. Alright Sean, please introduce the cars. So that Sean is famous. He got chicks. Yo, look at this Hkgsa. So for this Hkgsa, I need a steering pump. I need a steering pump and I need a carburetor, throttle controller.
So bro, you can steal.
I need it, man. It's not bad, man. Sexy. Drift car.
Battle wounds.
And his steering pump's not leaking like mine. Yo, I'm lost for words. There's a lot of cars and it's my first time.
Bro,
it's our first time.
That S14 is nice, you know, with the Mustang front.
Wasn't that online?
Yeah.
That's on online.
So they already had their PHO, like Group B, and they're done with Group B. Now it's Group A turn.
Yeah.
Let's see who qualifies and who wins.
That's it. What are you gonna? One is this, and there's another one there. Yeah.
Yo, so basically, Sean's Chaser, we sold it to them. So that's how we became friends with them. You know, we made a connection, became friends. So that's how we got to know, and they invited us, especially.
Hold on, bro. Hold on. There's more important things going
man.
on.
What the fuck? Guys, how you feeling? How you feeling, bro? Gotta look here in the camera, man.
Bro,
Tell them
now-
how you feeling.
So we have 2 drift cars already, Hale and mine. We are forcing him to buy one. Now I think the main reason for me bringing him here is so he can buy something.
Yeah, inspire him. Yeah, that's our friend as well. This one right here. Look at that, man. Taisan. Yeah, man. Taisan. So they love Chasers and Mark II as well. And yeah, they invited us over to check out this drift event. And that's it. Pretty excited, pretty excited. Go BrokeKids! Sean,
What's up, bro?
do you miss your Chaser?
Yeah, bro, I do, but it's fine, man.
Yeah, I wish.
Look at this, bro. Look at this. This is what your car would look like.
Damn.
I would be proud though if my car looks like this. Fit walk with Mr. Shan, you know, the next drift king in town. LED's hat. But I don't know why it's not him driving, but it was his car, maybe he sold it or something. But he has a YouTube channel as well. Those are, I would say, one of my favorite cars here. Like Gundam style. One is pink and one is blue.
Look at that. Wait, why did he say Gundam? These are not even Gundam. Man, this guy does not know he's anime. Bruh. First of all, they're not Gundam, so I don't know what you're on about.
Yeah, Gundam king in it.
No, it's not. As far as I know, it's an anime, bruh. But it's not Gundam.
Whatever. I mean,
Look at that, pink and blue.
I choose pink.
Oh, brother, bro, if we come for competition, our cars will look something like this.
Yes, that's why, Eric. When are you gonna buy one? Look at that. Oh man, check this out.
Look at that. Oh, bro, remember you were thinking to buy this?
Once upon a time.
R33. Oh, I saw this one. And look at this wing, yaar. Let's talk about this wing, how big it is. You know, this is the same people that I bought my car from.
There you go. As lightweight as possible.
I'll show you another pit wall. Follow me. Billy, he have a YouTube channel, bro. You guys can follow him as well.
Oh, that's him. Billy Tang. Hey, good luck, good luck. Look at that. Damn.
Alright guys, it was a great day, great fun, great drifting. I mean, my day was really good. I had fun, I enjoyed. I learned a lot about cars, I learned a lot about drifting.
First time
I learned a lot about the
First
Hong Kong drift community, would you say?
Yes, yes.
Yes, that's for sure. Met a lot of great people. We supported some, we didn't support some. It was a fun day though, honestly. How was it, Eric, for you? Was it fun?
Yeah.
Would you want to change your STI and buy a drift car now?
No.
Man, I've been convincing this guy to get a drift car for so long, and yet he still wants to stick around with this. I mean, this is another beast, but you'd rather have a drift car, isn't it?
Of course, I agree.
Like how I convinced him to get one.
Yeah, and then
I sold him my own car.
Yeah, he sold it to me, and it's, you know, full of shit.
Bro, it drifts. It's still my best drift car though. I like it. I mean, like, I'm better when I drive it for some reason.
Alright guys, so we enjoyed our day.
Hope
Love
you guys like this vlog, and hope you guys
Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment what you guys think. You know, hopefully someday we'll be attending that event.
Not attending, participating.
Participating. Yeah, boy.
So all we need is you guys supporting us, and comment down below what kind of vlogs you guys like to watch, and yeah, how was the video? See ya.
2022. 2022 is our year, bruh.